Europe is calling. Backpacking is the best way to answer. It's a chance to see amazing sights, experience different cultures, and make memories to last a lifetime. Imagine strolling through ancient ruins in Rome. Picture yourself sipping coffee in a Parisian cafe. Picture yourself hiking in the Swiss Alps. All this and more awaits you on a European backpacking adventure. Europe is a backpacker's paradise. It's easy to travel between countries, there are plenty of budget-friendly options, and you'll meet fellow travelers from all over the world. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your European backpacking adventure today. Europe is full of incredible destinations. Where you go depends on your interests. Do you love history? Head to Rome, Athens, or Berlin. Are you a foodie? Don't miss out on Italy, France, or Spain. For a classic backpacking route, start in Paris. Take the train to Amsterdam, then head south to Germany. Next, explore Prague and Vienna. End your trip in Budapest. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Consider visiting Portugal's stunning coastline. Explore the Scottish Highlands. Discover the beauty of Croatia's islands. No matter where you go, embrace the journey. Be open to new experiences. You'll create memories to last a lifetime. Backpacking is budget-friendly, but you still need to save money. Set a daily budget and stick to it. You can find affordable food, accommodation, and transportation. Eat like a local to save money. Avoid tourist traps. Visit local markets for fresh produce. Pack your own lunches and snacks. Take advantage of free activities. Many museums offer free admission on certain days. Explore parks and gardens. Go for walks or hikes. Look for discounts on attractions. Consider purchasing a city pass. This can save you money on transportation and sites. Book your flights and accommodation in advance for better deals. Packing light is key when backpacking. Choose a comfortable backpack. Make sure it's the right size for you. Pack versatile clothing items. Choose neutral colors that you can mix and match. Don't forget a jacket, comfortable shoes, and a swimsuit. Bring essential toiletries in travel-sized containers. Pack a first aid kit with any necessary medications. Don't forget a universal adapter for your electronics. Bring a journal to document your adventures. A good book or two can come in handy during long journeys. Remember, less is more when backpacking. Pack smart and leave room for souvenirs. Europe has an excellent transportation system. Trains are a great way to travel between cities. Consider purchasing a Eurail pass for cost-effective train travel. Buses are another budget-friendly option. Flixbus and RegioJet are popular bus companies. Book your tickets in advance for the best prices. Consider flying for longer distances. Budget airlines like Ryanair and EasyJet offer affordable flights. Book in advance and be flexible with your travel dates. Within cities, use public transportation. Most cities have efficient metro, tram, and bus systems. Purchase a travel pass for unlimited rides. Home away from home budget-friendly lodgings. Finding affordable accommodation is easy in Europe. Hostels are a great option for backpackers. They offer cheap beds in dorm rooms. Guest houses and pensions are another budget-friendly choice. They provide private rooms with shared bathrooms. Consider using Airbnb for more privacy and local experiences. Look for apartments or rooms in local neighborhoods. Book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak season. Read reviews and compare prices to find the best deals. Stay safe, stay smart. Backpacking safety tips. Backpacking is generally safe, but it's important to be aware of your surroundings. Keep your valuables secure. Use the lockers provided by hostels. Be cautious of pickpockets in crowded areas. Keep an eye on your belongings at all times. Don't carry large amounts of cash. Let someone know your itinerary. Stay connected with family and friends. Share your location and check in regularly. Be aware of local scams. Don't trust strangers who approach you on the street. If something feels too good to be true, it probably is. When in Europe, cultural etiquette 101. Each European country has its own customs and traditions. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. It's polite and shows respect. Be mindful of noise levels, especially in residential areas. Respect personal space. Avoid interrupting or talking over others. Dress appropriately, especially when visiting religious sites. Cover your shoulders and knees. Remove your hat when entering a church. Tip for good service. It's customary to leave a small tip at restaurants and bars. Round up the bill or leave a few euros. Gap 3S. Discover the hidden gems of Europe. While famous landmarks are a must-see, Europe is also home to countless hidden treasures waiting to be explored. First up, Český Krumlov in the Czech Republic. This fairy tale town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its stunning castle and meandering river. Next, head to the Azores in Portugal. This archipelago offers breathtaking landscapes, from volcanic craters to serene lakes, perfect for nature lovers. Don't miss Hallstatt in Austria. Nestled between a lake and mountains, this picturesque village is straight out of a storybook. For a touch of history, visit the medieval town of Sibiu in Romania. Its charming squares and historic buildings will transport you back in time. Lastly, explore the vibrant street art scene in Ghent, Belgium. This lesser-known city is a haven for art enthusiasts, with murals and installations around every corner. These hidden gems offer unique experiences away from the crowded tourist spots. So venture off the beaten path and uncover Europe's best-kept secrets. Gap 3S. Traveling Europe on a shoestring budget. Want to explore Europe without breaking the bank? Here are some top tips to help you save money while still having an amazing adventure. First, consider traveling during the off-season. You'll find cheaper flights, accommodations, and fewer crowds. Next, use budget airlines or trains for transportation. Sites like Skyscanner and Omio can help you find the best deals. When it comes to lodging, look into hostels, guest houses, or even couchsurfing for free stays. Websites like Hostelworld and Couchsurfing offer great options. Don't forget to check for free walking tours in major cities. They're a fantastic way to see the sights without spending a dime. Eating out can get expensive, so visit local markets and grocery stores for budget-friendly meals. Cooking your own food or having a picnic can save you a lot of money. Also, try to eat where the locals eat. It's often cheaper and more authentic. Lastly, take advantage of student discounts, city passes, and free museum days. Many cities offer passes that include public transport and entry to multiple attractions at a discounted rate. With these tips, you'll be able to enjoy your European adventure without worrying about your wallet. Happy travels! Europe is renowned for its vibrant festivals and events, each offering a unique glimpse into the local culture and traditions. Whether you're a music lover, a foodie, or a history buff, there's a festival in Europe just for you. First up, we have Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany. This world-famous beer festival attracts millions of visitors each year. Enjoy traditional Bavarian music, delicious food, and of course, plenty of beer. Next, head to Spain for La Tomatina in Buñol. This quirky festival involves a massive tomato fight in the streets. It's messy, fun, and a must-experience event. For music enthusiasts, there's Glastonbury Festival in the UK. This iconic festival features an impressive lineup of artists across various genres. It's not just about the music. The festival also offers art installations, theater performances, and more. If you're visiting Italy, don't miss the Venice Carnival. Known for its elaborate masks and costumes, this festival is a visual feast. Enjoy parades, masquerade balls, and street performances. In France, the Cannes Film Festival is a glamorous event that attracts celebrities from around the world. While the main screenings are invite-only, the city buzzes with excitement and there's plenty to see and do. Then there's the Running of the Bulls in Pamplona, Spain. This adrenaline-pumping event is part of the San Fermin Festival and is not for the faint-hearted. Lastly, experience the magical Northern Lights Festival in Tromsø, Norway. This festival celebrates the stunning natural phenomenon with music, dance, and cultural events. These are just a few of the incredible festivals and events you can experience in Europe. Each offers a unique way to immerse yourself in the local culture and create unforgettable memories. So, mark your calendars and get ready to celebrate. Packing for a backpacking trip through Europe can be tricky with varying climates. Here are essential packing tips for different seasons. Spring pack layers like lightweight sweaters and a versatile jacket. Summer light, breathable clothing and sunscreen are must-haves. Autumn, mix warm and lightweight clothing plus a medium-weight jacket. Winter, pack thermal underwear, thick sweaters, and a heavy coat. Always pack versatile pieces and plan to do laundry. Happy packing! Navigating language barriers. Tips for effective communication. Traveling through Europe is an exciting adventure, but it can be challenging when you're in a country where you don't speak the language. Here are some tips to help you communicate effectively and make the most of your journey. First, learn basic phrases. Knowing how to say hello, please, thank you, and excuse me in the local language can go a long way. It shows respect and can help you connect with locals. Second, use translation apps. Apps like Google Translate can be a lifesaver. They can translate text, speech, and even images, helping you understand menus, signs, and conversations. Third, carry a pocket dictionary or phrasebook. These can be handy when your phone battery is low or you don't have internet access. Fourth, practice nonverbal communication. Gestures, facial expressions, and body language can often convey your message without words. Just be mindful of cultural differences in nonverbal cues. Fifth, be patient and polite. Language barriers can be frustrating, but staying calm and respectful will make communication easier. Locals are often more willing to help if they see you're making an effort. Finally, immerse yourself in the local culture. Attend language classes, engage in conversations, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Remember, communication is not just about language. It's about connecting with people and understanding their culture. With these tips, you'll be able to navigate language barriers and enrich your European backpacking experience. Happy travels! Europe is a food lover's paradise, offering a rich tapestry of flavors and culinary traditions. No backpacking adventure would be complete without indulging in some of the continent's most iconic dishes. Let's take a delicious journey through Europe. First stop, Italy. You can't leave without trying an authentic margherita pizza in Naples or savoring a plate of creamy carbonara in Rome. Don't forget to treat yourself to some gelato for dessert. Next, let's head to France. Indulge in a buttery croissant for breakfast, enjoy a classic coq au vin for dinner, and finish with a slice of decadent tarte tatin. Pair it all with a glass of local wine for the full experience. In Spain, tapas are a must. Try patatas bravas, gambas al ajillo, and of course, a traditional paella in Valencia. Wash it down with a refreshing glass of sangria. Germany offers hearty fare like bratwurst, pretzels, and schnitzel. Don't miss out on sampling some local beers at a traditional beer garden. Now, let's visit Greece. Savor the flavors of moussaka, souvlaki, and a fresh Greek salad topped with feta cheese. End your meal with some honey-soaked baklava. In Portugal, taste the famous pastel de nata, a creamy custard tart. While you're there, enjoy a plate of bacalhau, a traditional salt cod dish, and some peri-peri chicken. Finally, head to Belgium for waffles, chocolate, and moules frites. And of course, try a pint of Belgian beer. Each country in Europe offers unique and unforgettable culinary experiences. So, as you backpack through the continent, make sure to indulge in these must-try foods. Bon appetit and happy travels! GAP 3S Eco-Friendly Travel Tips: How to Backpack Sustainably in Europe. As you embark on your European backpacking adventure, consider the impact of your travels on the environment. Opt for public transportation like trains and buses to reduce your carbon footprint. Pack light to save fuel and make your journey more comfortable. Choose reusable items to cut down on single-use plastics. Stay in eco-friendly accommodations that prioritize sustainability. Support local economies by eating and shopping locally. Respect nature and wildlife by sticking to marked trails and not littering. Leave no trace to ensure future travelers can enjoy the same beautiful landscapes. Happy and responsible travels. GAP 3S. GAP 3S. Travel insurance? Do you need it? A Backpacker's Guide, GAP 3S. As you plan your European backpacking adventure, don't overlook travel insurance. It can save you from significant financial loss and provide peace of mind. Most policies cover medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost belongings. Imagine needing medical attention abroad. Costs can be astronomical. Ensure your policy includes emergency medical evacuation. Check the limits and exclusions, especially for pre-existing conditions. Compare different policies and providers for the best coverage. Travel insurance is a small investment for a smoother journey. Before you set off, make sure you're covered. Safe travels. GAP 3S. GAP 3S. Making friends while traveling. Tips for backpackers. GAP 3S. Traveling through Europe is not just about seeing new places. It's also about meeting new people and making friends. Stay in hostels. They have common areas and group activities that make it easy to meet fellow travelers. Join hostel events like pub crawls or game nights to break the ice. Be open and approachable. Smile, make eye contact, and start conversations. Use social media and travel apps to connect with people who share your interests. Participate in group tours and activities to meet new people. Learn some basic phrases in the local language. It shows respect and can be a great conversation starter. Volunteer or work abroad to immerse yourself in the local community. Be yourself and stay positive. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine. Making friends while traveling can enrich your experience and create lasting memories. So get out there, be social, and make the most of your European adventure. Gap 3S. Gap 3S. Best apps for European travel. Tech-savvy tips for backpackers. Gap 3S. In today's digital age, your smartphone can be your best travel companion. Let's dive into some of the best apps for your European adventure. First up, Google Maps. Essential for navigation with offline maps and transit info. Next, we have Rome to Rio. It offers detailed transportation options across Europe. For accommodations, check out Hostel World. Budget-friendly lodgings with reviews and booking options. When it comes to language barriers, Duolingo is a lifesaver. Learn basic phrases in various European languages. For currency conversion, XE Currency is the go-to app. Real-time exchange rates and currency conversion. For local experiences, try Airbnb Experiences, unique activities hosted by locals. Lastly, don't forget about TripIt. Organize all your travel plans in one place. These apps can enhance your travel experience. So download these apps before you hit the road and make the most of your trip. Gap 3S. Embrace the journey. Your European adventure starts now. Backpacking through Europe is an incredible experience. It's a chance to discover new cultures, meet new people, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Embrace the freedom of the open road. Be open to new experiences. Step outside of your comfort zone. You'll learn so much about yourself and the world around you. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your passport, and start planning your European backpacking adventure today. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and tips.